All right, hello. Welcome to some more F1. This is episode 5, even though technically it says 4. Dude, I ain't gonna lie. These are actually kind of fun. Not even that. Not even kind of fun. These are actually really sick. I am definitely rusty though. Like, mad rusty. Or I just wasn't locked in because I don't understand how hard was actually hard. Because usually, hard is easy. The Mexican Grand Prix. A few weeks later, Joshua Pierce follows the regimen of his teammate Sonny Hayes, whose performance in the upgraded Apex GP car is turning heads in Mexico City. I don't remember this. I'm really glad that I don't remember a lot of the movie. I mean, seeing these scenes are kind of cool. I thought they would be more of a spoiler for people that haven't seen the movie, but not really. Half and half.
And they go wheel to wheel. Verstappen and Leclerc. Verstappen will have the inside. Perez goes around the outside. Perez makes contact with Charles Leclerc as Sonny Hayes threads that Apex GP car through the midfield.
Sick. Oh. Oh, man. Alright, bet.
Beautiful start, mate. Let's keep it up now.
It's gonna cut. I'm waiting for it. I know it's gonna cut. What the hell?
Use your overtake button more. It's time to utilize some of this energy. Come on.
Oh, that's a corner cut. Yo. That's on me. Seven seconds. I got that. Right? I got that. That's light work. Maxed out. Oh, hell nah. I'm gonna hit it with the comeback. It's all good.
Okay, clear.
I have a pretty fat chance I'm gonna have to restart this. There's no way I can close it. I don't know, bro. That little slip might have messed me up. I have to catch up to Ulkenberg in 5th. I'm gonna have to play dirty. That should have been a penalty.
Okay, so gap to the car ahead, 1.6 seconds.
I don't think it's happening.
Yellow flag.
I don't know. Maybe that yellow helps.
Information on Ocon. They're retiring from the race.
Awful. I don't think there's no way. I might as well just reset. There's no way. Alright, let's go. Right here. "16 seconds? Why did the time go up? It's Russell now? It like switched completely."
Right, we need to get past here. Use overtake. Use overtake.
Why does it feel like it's easier? Oh, fuck. Excuse me. What do you think you're doing, sir? It's my spot. No. Ooh. Hey, go ahead and give me that DRS too. Thank you. See you. Give him a little wave goodbye. Nah, don't move. Let me cut the toe, bro. Thank you. Got a slingshot into the corner, you know? I really need to work on my trail braking. My trail braking is garbage. Threw that thing into the corner. And the fastest lap? Yeah, I'm cooking right now. This is the one. Yeah, someone's gonna go ahead and blow up their engine. Just wasn't expecting it to be right in front of me. Oh yeah, Ocon is with Alpine. That's right.
Information on Ocon. Okay, it looks like the problem's terminal. They're retiring
this was
the car. Okay, gap
before
to the car in front.
he went to
2.1
Haas.
seconds.
Thinking in my head, I'm like, Ocon's gonna be the first to go out. And then I see an Alpine and I'm like, wait, what? This takes place in 2024. I'm gonna catch. There's no way. Swear to God, if I don't, I'm gonna be so mad. Maybe I just needed to get warmed up. I think that's what it is. Cause it's like, cause it'll be like a new track and shit, you know? No slip, it's all good. Got that DRS, baby, that's why. Take that. Oh, that was risky. Nope, nope. Yeah, I'm like Max Verstappen, bro. Either you let me through or I'm putting your head in the wall. Oh. Goodbye, comrade. You put up a good fight for that. This is the one. Yeah, this is it. It's gonna happen within the next 3 to 4 corners. All right, maybe like 8. I have to catch him on this lap. Fuck it. I wonder if we can do better. I doubt it. There's no way.
Okay, final lap. Let's go. Final lap.
No way. 4th might be possible. Bro, it definitely said Russell. It did not say Hülkenberg as my objective. Just gotta hold it for 1 lap. That's it. Something tells me he is gonna put up a fight too. Oh no, I'm already gapping his ass. So why couldn't I do that the first time? Why couldn't I do that the first time?
3.0 seconds.
Woo! Max is the winner. Woo! Insert the national anthem of F1. Woo! Wait, well, I mean, this year it's God Save the Queen, but still. Oh. Ew. Ew, I did not like that. So, do we get to a point to where we stop using movie footage? Because that's what it's looking like. Alright, that's going to do it for this one. If you enjoyed, go ahead, subscribe, like, it's free. I feel like I want to say I'll see you in the next one, which would... I still don't know if I'm going to upload all these videos at once, or if I'm going to separate them, but either way, catch you guys in the next one. Deuce.
And then we have our lovely assistant. Look at him. He's got his zip ties and he's got his tool.
How's this angle looking?